For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The ongoing pandemic has reshaped relationships, be it intimate relationships or casual ones. Many had to spend more time with some people and go for months without meeting others. Social distancing measures have also isolated people from their loved ones and have given them time to reflect on life and thoughts. Several countries have reported an increase in domestic violence cases in the past 6 months. Hubei province of China, which was the epicenter of the virus, has reported a threefold increase in domestic violence cases since the pandemic started. In India too, the National Legal Services Authority has initiated online legal assistance services to victims of domestic abuse. This move was initiated to cope with the increasing cases of domestic violence. Couples are navigating new challenges due to the pandemic. One common challenge is the implementation of social distancing norms. Decisions like inviting friends over, sending children to play, and visit family can take a toll on the relationship if both partners have different opinions on social distancing. Although India has entered Unlock 1.0, many companies have not yet resumed working from office, and employees are still working from home. As such, managing home and work can be a challenge for many. As schools have not yet resumed, people with children have the added task of caring for their children round the clock, while supplementing their education too. This can cause a lot of friction between couples if the workload is taken on by one partner. This can also lead to a feeling of resentment and underappreciation. For many couples, spending months being confined indoors has taken a toll on their marital relationship. China, which was the first country to go under lockdown due to the pandemic, has seen a spike in divorce cases. This trend is also witnessed in other countries that have gone under lockdown. For couples who used to enjoy a fulfilling career and social life, the current times have brought on tremendous challenges to their relationship. Other issues like finance, mental distress due to the lockdown have also added to marital worries. Everyone has a support system of friends, family and confidants they turn to in times of crisis. A heart-to-heart chat with a close person can do wonders to ease stress and tension. In current times, due to the social distancing and closure of public spaces like cafes, many people have found themselves unable to interact with their support system. This can cause a lot of frustration and stress. Although digital network enables people to keep in touch with others, many are missing the physical contact and social outings which defined life before the pandemic.